Ever wondered how to make your social media content go viral, or how you could monetize that viral content? Here's a savvy approach you could consider: the dynamic duo of Chat GPT and Canva. First, pinpoint a niche or a problem you can solve. Combine your experience and passions, then let Chat GPT generate a list of potential digital product ideas for you. Next, craft a solution for this problem. Use Canva to design an eye-catching ebook or template. Keep it affordable, under $50. Then set up a Stan Store account and create a funnel to sell your digital product. Good news, 2 weeks free on me. Check the link in my profile. Now, on to Instagram. Create a creator account. Focus on 3 types of content: empowering, embodiment, and educational. Consistency is key. Post at least once a day. A 5 to 7 second reel with a short text on screen and a lengthy caption works wonders. And a final tip, don't gatekeep. The information is free. People will buy your products for the strategy and the asset to refer back to, not the bits and pieces given away in content. Your key to $1,000 by the 1st of October is right here.